What's up, guys? You want to another video? Very early morning today. Well, early for me. It's like 9 a.m. So it's not that early, but early for me, bro. I'm super tired, but we're about to head to a Carmeet tomorrow. Oh my God, I can't even talk, bro. That's how early it is for me. We're heading to a Carmeet right now, guys. It should be pretty lit. We got all the homies with us. I think Jay might meet up with us. He's a little sick today. He woke up with a fever. We're gonna see if he meets up with us today too. But yeah, look, we got David's F80. If you guys did not watch yesterday's video, he actually got new mods on his F80. He got a new front lip because he broke the last one in like a month, if that. Hopefully this one lasts longer than a month. And then he also got side skirts, which is freaking fire, bro. I like how they like come out, like they go thin and then they go out right there. It's really like a lip on the sides. What?
I'm putting 85. My shit's not fucking.
Are you really gonna do it?
Bro, he's really doing it, man. He said to do it.
Bro,
It's on him.
Bro, I swear,
you're just not even tuned for that, bro.
Side of the road is because of you.
Yeah, bro, I swear.
Okay, put 1 gallon, bro. Just one.
Side of the road, even would just have to take a gas, bro.
Yeah, 1 gallon's not gonna be bad, I think.
No, I think
Damn, my boy's putting 85 in his car. Oh! Damn! You didn't get it. The .2 is gonna mess it up though, bro. He's really putting 85 in his car, guys. It's not even tuned for it yet, but I don't think 1 gallon's gonna mess it up. It's probably gonna make it, I don't know, a little faster. Tiny bit faster, bro.
Remember, bro, look at my roof.
Yeah,
If
brother.
anyone could do my roof for cheap, let me know.
Brother, your roof is brown.
Bro, my roof just throws everything off, bro.
Your roof got a scab on it. No.
Your roof is scabbing,
Bro,
bro.
why is it so bad?
That shit.
I don't know. Just wrap it black.
I am.
It'll look clean. Well, we're out, guys. It's gonna be a sick little cruise, and hopefully David's car does not blow up because it has 1 gallon of 85 in it now.
You don't answer, bro.
Guys, Jay's dying at home.
Put it. Who's gonna finish?
Jay, bro,
boy's
he's so
dying.
sick, bro.
Jay, my boy Peter is swag.
Jay was supposed to come. Damn, bro, this Honda's super fire. I actually like it a lot, bro. This shit's hard. Is that wide body or they come like that? That's crazy. That's a Type R. I like it, bro. This shit looks clean. This is the B58 King right here, guys. Yeah, Peter's car is so loud. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. It's a little loud, there's a lot of music, so it's gonna be hard to vlog here. But there's a lot of cars. We got the homies M8. No plates? You're not scared to drive like that?
I go through balls.
My boy's M8 is crazy, bro. Look at this thing. Look at this wing. Honestly, an M8 would be a fire car to have. These things are super fast. Loki might look better than the G80. Doesn't this look better than the G80?
It's not so.
How much is
actually,
it?
no, it can't be that much different.
How much is this car?
170.
170.
Oh, it's like double a G80.
2 G80s. Damn, bro.
Used to use GT3 on that. Nah, hell no.
It has like that gold pearl in it in the sun. That color's sick. This shit got hella brake dust. I thought my wheels were bad. Look at this thing, guys. Homie Josh's car. This thing is sick. Barely met him, bro. I know a lot of you guys have been telling me to collab with him. Maybe we'll do something, but his Lambo is sick. This wrap is crazy, guys. For sure, 1 of 1 wrap. I don't think this has ever been done before. But yeah, maybe we'll do some content with him. I'm sure you guys have seen his YouTube channel before. Bro, this is how we have to start filming the vlogs, bro.
That's hard. Imagine following me around.
You just follow me in that, and then we'll make vlogs.
Probably down. I'm gonna plug. Get it.
That is a sick-ass camera car. You know how much that setup is, probably?
Candy.
This was on the candy car again. Every time we see this car at a Carmeet, guys, David gets candy from it. My boy always gets candy. David's grubby, bro. You got a donut, no candy? You didn't really see those Vipers much, huh? I think it does look really clean. This thing's sick. Drift car? Saw that Type R on the freeway? It was actually clean, huh? It was clean.
No, they're actually hard, bro.
I like it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like Hondas, but that one was nice.
When people do them,
Hell overpriced. They're like 70 right now.
Oh, hell, 70. David needs to do this. There's no way. You think it's a girl's car? That has to be a girl's car, right? It's an F80 too. Do that on the Supra.
On the Supra.
Oh yeah, you said you wanted to do that to someone. This dude really has eyelashes on the car, bro. I'm guessing it's a girl's car, but it's sick. Oh yeah, maybe it's a girl's car. Huh? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. All the girls are gonna get mad at me. I'm kidding, bro. I like her plate though. Her plate's pretty sick. Try me M3. Damn.
Finally.
And the turbos are loud on that thing. Bro, I like M2s a lot, guys. It's sick, huh?
Pull up over there. That food's hard.
Look at really clean. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I've never seen that wing either. But did you hear it? You hear the turbo? Look. You might have upgraded turbos on it. Oh, it sound like a Hellcat kind of. I don't know. This thing's sick, guys. Look at BBS wheels. This shit's sick, bro. This is a crazy ass Lambo, like the most vibrant. Look at the interior. It gets hella attention, I bet. A Lambo alone already gets a lot of attention, but imagine pulling up in this. Like everybody's gonna look. Everyone's revving it. Bro, that shit literally sounds like a Hellcat. Hey, look, big flip. Oh, sheesh. There's hella cars here, guys. That shit has to be bagged, right? There's no way he's driving like that. That shit looks weird convertible. What's with the convertibles, guys? That's crazy. Constant wheels on it. It would low-key be pretty fun to drift a convertible though, with the top down. Another M2, guys. These are growing on me a lot. What the heck? Look at this. I've never seen that, bro. I don't know. Oh, look at the seats too. I don't know what this is, but it might be like a higher edition, bro. Oh, it's a CS, bro. They're super rare, actually, I think.
CS?
Yeah, look, they come with these wheels, and obviously this roof. Look, it's not the other carbon, and the interior is way more.
Yeah, look at
cool.
It even has on the side.
Oh my god, there's carbon on the middle.
Oh hell no! Dropping your bone in there?
This is sick, bro.
People are sure scratching that shit, bro. Once you drop your bone in there.
This is a clean M2. And then the other one over here, this one's nice too. This shit's sick, bro. I like him. My boy Jay is masked up. He came out. You feel better?
A little bit. Hey, COVID tester down there.
I forgot he had the wheel on the back. I just remembered. He just need to get that fatter tire set up, and this shit's gonna look crazy, bro. It already looks pretty crazy. Oh my god!
This car probably fucking beat a lot of cars here.
I know. How you feeling, Jay?
Like shit. I feel like
At least it came out.
I feel like I just got hit by your GTR.
I'm trying to make these masks now.
Bro, I haven't went out in like 3 weeks. I was like, I have to go out.
I know. Jay has not been in the vlogs.
Wait, it's fitted. How am I fitted, bro? This is regular ass.
You got the rollie on too.
Yeah, right, you wish.
Oh, that JD's hard, bro. That black looks really good.
You know, I wanted to do side and black. I wanted to do side and black, and then they're like, nah, go with the nozzle tech instead. So
That black's hard though. Look at that.
Bro, you don't even need wheels.
They look good on that car.
hey, you wanna move on?
This is what the Carmeet's turned into, guys. We're all pretty bored.
My dream car.
What are we doing now, bro? I think it was pretty cool though. I don't know what we're about to get into after this, but this is what we're doing right now. This is how you're supposed to rock your hats nowadays, guys. It's the new wave.
That shit's ass.
Man, that Urus is sick, bro. Alright guys, we're heading out. I don't know where we're gonna go, but try to film some more content. We got all the boys with us. Bro. That's how you get this dude. I don't know where we're going, but my boy is here. My boy is risking it all for the rollers.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.